I've been wanting a chop box specifically for making things like French fries, things where I have to cut a lot of the same shape. And I did my research and I went with this one. This company has been around since the 1600s. They are focused on high quality kitchen products that are meant to last. And I'm really excited to put this chop box to the test. So let's unbox it and then chop some stuff up. Now everything comes inside it, and that is good to know for storage. You can pack it all back together, but there are a lot of pieces in here. So let me unpackage this completely and then go over all the pieces. Now here's what you get. It really is pretty simple, even though there are a lot of elements here. You get this really nice clean manual that will show you how to use it with great pictures. And then you get the main body. This is what you'll be chopping everything into. So it has this base right here that is removable and has little raised feet on the bottom. So that just pops in like that. And then of course, once you want to get everything out, you could shake it out the top, but it is much easier just to pop the bottom back off. So that's how that goes. And then this is the top. And it has this top piece right here that will twist on with all of these different cutting pieces here. And this is what you will push down with the food right here to chop. I'll show you that in a second, but let's go over the 4 different chopping options you have. Each of these has a press plate, and this is going to lock into the top of the box to push the food down through the blades. This is your 1/4 inch blades. Then you get your 3/8 inch blades. So you're gonna get really nice squares. This one's perfect for fries. And then you got your 6 wedge cutter. And finally, your 8 wedge cutter. And then it comes with this great little poker device that will really help you get things out if you need to. Kind of a fun addition. I will probably lose this and just use a fork, but it does come with it. And how you use these really is as simple as putting the chopping block into the top of the chopper. And then you'll want to add on the press plate. Then you put on the whole top, and then you twist on the lid. And the lid does take a little effort to twist. It's not that easy to do, but once you do, it really locks into place and then you're ready to go. And now this has the press plate in it. This still has that chop block. This will fall out if you tip it over and shake. It is pretty sturdy, it really is in there, but keep that in mind. So then all you do is put your food on top of this chopping plate and push down with this, and that's gonna chop. So let's go chop some veggies. For chopping, it really is as easy as making sure the veggie is the right shape for going into this and pressing down. The harder you press, the less effort it takes, as it really collects momentum as you push down. And one of my favorite parts about this is that everything can go in the dishwasher, so it's super easy to clean. This is a really cool chop box. I will be using it all the time, and I think you'll love it.